What's up, fellas? Thanks for stopping by again. I'm back at working on my Mustang 345, and today I'm going to be replacing these tires. As you can see, those tires are real narrow, and I got a set of regular size tires. I believe these are 7 inches wide. Those are 10 inches wide, I believe. I'll leave the exact dimensions in the description below. But yeah, this machine is really old, so finding parts for it can be a little difficult. I think this is from the 80s. I'm not sure, maybe even before that. But anyway, we're gonna see if these fit. It's a 6-lug pattern, which is not common. Big shout out to Tim. Thank you very much, Tim. The reason why I got these wheels was because of you, so I really appreciate your help. Appreciate you giving me some tips and info that you're finding. You're probably better at doing research than I am, and anything that I could find, I'll share with you as well. But again, Tim, thanks a lot. Boom! I can't believe they fit. The center here is 4 5/8. 4 5/8 center is standard for a 6-lug pattern machine. So I got these from eBay. I'll leave a link in the description for the seller that I bought them from, but they were pretty helpful and very responsive. These are 1-inch nuts. Get yourself one of these. High impact, 1/2-inch driver. 1,400 foot-pounds in reverse. Look at the comparison. And it does not rub. Well, I can't rotate it, but yeah. Does not hit anything. I don't know if you guys can see that in there, but it doesn't rub on anything on the machine. So yeah, super happy about this. Just gonna get the rest of them done. So I don't have a pump jack. I got pretty powerful hydraulics here. Just put the bucket down, backed up onto that cant, and jack this baby up. Fellas, when all else fails, use a Cheeto bar. Physics. That's why we pay attention in school, kids. Oh, that sucks. It's 1.1 inches. Fellas, can't believe that worked. Some genius had to make this the wrong size. Or a different size, rather. Come on. Yes! Success. So a little piece of advice. If you guys are gonna do something stupid like that, just make sure you're not hitting any hydraulic lines or anything that's of any significant impact to the machine. You know, the radiators back there, I didn't check, but looks like there's a lot of steel back there to protect all that stuff. You would think, actually. Whatever, it worked. So she wrote, fellas, get yourself a 40-inch cheater bar. This is just 1-inch black pipe, half-inch ratchet, and of course the beast. Well, fellas, that just about does it. The little bit that I moved the machine around right here, it already seems to be operating so much better. Those tires, who knows how old they were. These are obviously, they're brand new. As I was putting them on, I noticed that they do say 10 by 16 and a half right on the tread. So I guess the rim size is 16 and a half and the tire width is 10 inches. Much better, more stable, and they're definitely heavier than those old ones. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you could hit like and subscribe if you feel like it. Thanks for watching.